Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use reports here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Reports in Smartsheet are a powerful tool in consolidating data from multiple sheets to a single customizable view. Now, for you to be able to do that, you need to go to the Home tab, click this button right here, and then all you have to do is click the Create button right here. And then there's going to be a lot of options. You can start from scratch. And obviously, we're going to select Report. Okay, and there's going to be a drop-down menu here. You can choose a type. Row report, wherein uses data from sheets, or a sheet summary report. It doesn't matter, all right? Now, depending on your needs, row reports are basically used for aggregating rows of data, while sheet summary are for summarizing data from different sheets. Now, we're going to choose the row report for now and wait for it. While in the report builder, we will see an options to select which sheets to include in the report. All right. In this case, for example, we're going to use this one. Okay. And we're going to click on next. Now from here, you can set the criteria for which rows to include. For example, column values, end date, modified, and a lot more. If you wanted, you can put as much as information as you can. And of course, just, click on next. All right. So here you can put in the field created by duration. It's all up to you, depending on your discretion. Now I'm gonna say, for example, I'm going to put in something like created. You can set another condition here. For example, select a field and, for example, add a date and add another condition for as long as you want. Okay. You can also add in a new filter group wherein you can select another field for the duration and you can put in as much as rule as you can. This is all up to you. All right. Now you can put in the group. You can group by. You can click on the summarize if you wanted. And of course, you also have the option to sort. All right. Once you're happy with that, you might want to rename this one as something like maybe this. And that's how you basically create a report. Now, the idea is you can put it to the grid view. Okay. And Gantt view. So there's a lot more, card and calendar view. And of course, like anything else, you can give an access to everything in the workspace here. For example, if you wanted to put in some people, if you're working with multiple freelancers, clients, or team members within an organization, you might want to add them up here. Of course, you can put in the permission level, for example, admin, editor, commenter, or viewer only. And if you want to add people, you can put the email or names here, and you can also put in a small message right here. And of course, click on share. All right, that's one way. Now let's head over to the second option, which is we're going again to the home page. Let's cancel this for now. All right. Again, we're going to start something from scratch. We're going to report, or we're going to use the or choose the second option, which is the sheet summary report. And again, just like the option earlier, we have another option wherein we can choose the sheet that we wanted to work with. In this case, I'm gonna choosing the other files. All right, the first, second version, and third version. I'm gonna click on next, and then from here, you see you can choose options like created by, modified by, and of course just click on next. All right. After that, we can set another criteria wherein we can create, let's say put in modified by, and this is blank. Add another condition. Say for example, sheet name is equal to, and add as much as information as you can. All right. And of course, all you're gonna do is click on apply. Now, reports are dynamic, so they will update automatically as the source sheets are updated. You can always return to the report builder at any time to modify the report's criteria, columns, filters, or sorting. And I find it very useful for managers or team leads who need to get an overview of project statuses or performance across multiple sheets without having to manually compile data. And of course, we can rename this one as this. You can put in a comment here if you want it. And again, you can choose the grid view, the Gantt view, all right, and the calendar view. You see, earlier on the row report, we have a lot of options, but in the summary report, there's like three of them: grid view, Gantt view, and calendar view, right? Similarly to the row reports earlier, you might want to click on the share option. You see, the report, when you click that, you can invite people in groups, you can share, you can give permission level, and of course, for example, you wanted a part of your team to be an admin. One member is going to be the editor. One member is editor but can share, and another part is going to be a viewer. And similarly, earlier, we can add a simple customized message right here. And once you're happy with that, you can also copy that. All right. Then you can copy the link, so you can now send them an email or any social media platform channels. And once you're happy with that, from here now you can monitor tasks and deadlines across various projects or teams, ensuring that nothing fails through the cracks and deadlines are met. Using reports in Smartsheet helps you to stay organized, informed, and efficient, ultimately contributing to a better project management and operational success. And because you can also generate standard reports from here, click on a file, you can import from Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Project, from Google Sheets, and from Trello, all right? You can also save as new if you wanted to duplicate this specific report, if you want it, and save it on a different workspace. Say, for example, you wanted to save it on dplat. So you have a lot of options when dealing with reports here in Smartsheet. And again, this can be especially useful for tracking project progress, resource allocation, and performance metrics. You can also share this to team members, stakeholders, or clients to provide clear and concise updates on project status, milestones, and deliverables. You can also print this one if you want it. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.